In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Facebook Marketplace notifications. If you use Facebook Marketplace to buy, sell, or keep an eye on listings, turning on the right notifications can help you stay updated without having to constantly check the app or website yourself. This is especially useful if you want to know when someone responds to your listing, sends a message, or when there's important activity related to Marketplace. To get started, open Facebook in your web browser and log into your account. Make sure you're signed into the correct profile before continuing, since notification settings are managed separately for each account. Once you're on Facebook, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. This opens the main account menu, where you'll find access to several settings and privacy options. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. A smaller menu will appear, and from there, click Settings. This takes you to the main settings area for your Facebook account, where you can control everything from privacy to security and notifications. Next, look over to the left-hand menu and click Notifications. This section is where Facebook lets you manage alerts for different parts of the platform, including comments, tags, reminders, groups, and of course, Marketplace. If you've ever felt like you were getting too many alerts or not enough, this is the place to customize them. After opening notifications, find and select Marketplace. This will bring up the specific notification options related to buying and selling activity. Depending on your account and region, you may see different categories, but the overall process is the same. Now turn on the Marketplace notifications you want to receive. You can usually choose which types of updates are important to you, so it's a good idea to enable the ones that match how you use Marketplace. For example, if you actively sell items, you'll probably want alerts for messages and listing activity. If you mostly browse and shop, you may prefer notifications related to saved searches or item updates. As a quick tip, take a moment to review the notification methods available, such as push, email, or SMS if those options appear. Choosing the right method can make notifications more useful and less distracting. And that's it. Once you've enabled the Marketplace notifications you want, Facebook will start keeping you informed about relevant activity. This can help you respond faster, stay organized, and avoid missing important updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.